How to convert color image to black and white in Inkscape. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can convert color image to black and white in Inkscape. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Inkscape. Then you have to import or upload your image where you want to convert it into black and white. For example, I have this image right here. Now what you have to do is head over to this toolbar at the top. There is this filters, you have to click on it. But before that, make sure to select your picture. So head over to filters, here select colors, and under color you have to click on color shift. So here all you have to do is decrease your saturation. Here you have to decrease your saturation all the way to 0, then click on apply and then click on close. As you can see, now this color image has been converted into black and white. So that's the way to convert color image to black and white in Inkscape. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.